Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, reading ito for fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. Take only what resonates. Dito magra-resonate sa lahat guys. Hindi ito personal reading. One last shuffle. For fire sign. Three of Swords. Actually, nakakita tayo dito ng Three of Swords, Page of Cups, and Five of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Huwag kang magpadalos-dalos. I can see possible scam, possible na panloloko. So, pwede magdulot ito ng problema, kalungkutan sa'yo. So, with the fire sign, nakikita natin ng possible na money lost or pagkawala ng pera. No? Huwag kang maniwala sa sasabihin, especially if it is too good to be true. Alam mo naman yung totoo sa hindi. Alam mo naman yung possible na mangyari sa hindi, di ba? So, kung malaki ang chance na scam ito, no, na mas nangingibabaw sa'yo, huwag ka na mag-take ng risk, ano. Kasi pwedeng hindi mo magustuhan yung magiging kalalabasan ng kung ano man ito. So, I'm seeing an offer or like maybe pakikipag-usap, no, ng pwedeng taong hindi mo dapat pagkatiwalaan. Okay? So, tell me more for the sign of fire sign, please. You don't wear the Knight of Cups, the Magician. Someone is going to offer you something na pwedeng makapagpalabas ng totoong skills mo. Maybe this is an offer of a job. This is what your strength is. Or yung iba, offer of mas lumalim or lumakas pa ang iyong skills, ganun, ang iyong knowledge. So, may offer ng ganun may offer na either mailalabas mo yung skills mo mismo or mai-enhance mo, mai-improve mo. Nakikita natin, hindi ka sure about dito sa bagay nito with the Four of Cups. Hindi ka sure dito sa bagay nito, but the Page of Swords is here because gusto mo mabilisan And maybe this thing na ino-offer or sinasabi sa'yo is, this is your strength. The problem is, gusto mo mabilisan yung outcome, yung kalalabasan. Mabilisang pera. Sabihin na natin ganun. Maybe may kinalaman ito sa career for some of you. And you do have the Seven of Cups. Yeah, you want to get whatever you want. And as soon as possible. And maybe hindi mo ito nakikita as an opportunity na makukuha mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo ng mabilisan. Because it takes time. Iba sa inyo, kailangan na naman mag-aral, kailangan na namang alamin ito, alamin yan. So, medyo mahirap para sa'yo, diba? Pero, I feel like hindi ka sure about dito sa bagay na to. Because, actually, marami ka ng skills ngayon, marami ka ng kayang i-offer ngayon but hindi enough itong mga ito, no? You still need to learn more. And sa nakikita natin, ayaw mo naman nung ganon, ayaw mo na matuto or what, no? Tell me more about this, please, for the sign of fire sign. Ito over the Six of Swords, The Tower. Okay, okay. Fire sign. May lumipad na card. This is the Ten of Swords, Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. For some of you, kung ano man yung mga nag-end na, natapos na, especially with the Tower and the Ten of Swords, kailangan mo nang mag-let go, kailangan mo nang mag-move on, kailangan mo nang mag-focus sa kung ano yung mga meron ngayon. You need to listen to advice. You do have here the Queen of Wands. You need to listen to this person. The Queen of Wands will tell you kung anong dapat mong gawin. With the Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, I feel like this person will tell you kung ano dapat mong gawin para hindi ka mahirapan. 'Di ba? Maybe yung paghihirap kasi masyadong nasa isip mo na without even being there, no? Parang i-try mo muna. Tsaka mo sabihing mahirap pag na-try mo na. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, iniisip mo lang na mahirap eh. Especially nasanay ka na sa hindi masyado kang nahihirapan. No, nasanay ka sa madalian, mabilis. So, ang nakikita natin dito, i-try mo muna. Hindi mo pa naman kasi natatry, bakit ka mag-quit sa isang bagay na hindi mo pa naman natatry? And kung ano man yung mga nag-end na sa buhay mo, natapos na sa buhay mo, you have to let them go. Situation, career, diba? And you need to focus on whatever is in front of you ngayon. The past is past. Learn to let go. Yun lang yun. And you do have the Two of Swords. Regarding dito sa growth na ito, yeah, medyo mabagal nga talaga siya. No? Medyo mabagal yung growth na ito. But I can still see the growth. Ang maganda dun, may growth. And I feel like itong mga taong ito are willing to help you kahit wala kang masyadong gawin eh. They're willing to help you, they're willing to support you para makuha mo yung victory na gusto mo, na kailangan mo. You just have to get out of your comfort zone with the Death card and the Hermit. Kailangan mo lang umalis sa iyong comfort zone para ma-accomplish mo yung victory na gusto mo. Okay? Soon enough, magugulat ka na lang, you're already the King of Cups. Gusto mo na pala yung ginagawa mo. Masaya ka na pala sa ginagawa mo. Hindi naman pala ganun kahirap. Hindi naman pala matagal, masyado, yung kailangan mo pang aralin, etc. So, yun nga, with the Judgment, I can see you talking to a lot of people in the near future. Once na nakuha mo na yung knowledge na kailangan mo sa larangang ito. Okay, I feel like for some of you may kinalaman yun sa career. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.